Hello friends, welcome back again. Today in this video we are going to solve this interesting algebraic problem, and the problem here is x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 0, 3x minus 4y plus z equal to 0, and x square plus 3y square plus z square equal to 11. Then we'll have to find the value of x, y and z. So friend, please give thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. Now for solving of this problem, we'll let this equation as equation 1, this one as equation 2 and the last one as equation 3. So our first step will be to take out the value of x, y and z from this equation 1 and 2 after eliminating one value. Now here we'll eliminate z from the equation 1 and 2. For eliminating the value of z, we'll multiply equation 1 with the value of z in equation 2, that is 1. So we'll multiply equation 1 by value of z is 1, and we'll subtract equation 2 with the multiplication value of z, that is 2. So we'll multiply it by 2, and now we'll subtract this value with this value. Now we'll multiply the equation 1 with, then we'll get the value as it is, means x plus 2y plus 2z. Now here we will multiply equation 2 with 2 and we'll subtract that. That will be 3 and 2 6. So we will subtract minus 6x. Here minus and minus plus, 4 into 2 is 8y minus 2z, that is equal to 0, minus 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0. So now we'll simplify it. It is 2z and 2z gets eliminated. Now here we will get the value of x, and minus 6x is minus 5x, here 2y and 8y plus 10y, that is equal to 0. Now here we will take 10y in the right hand side and multiply it by minus, then it will be 5x, that is equal to 10y, and here 5 2 times 10, so this will be written as x is equal to 2y. Now here we will divide by 2 in the both hand side and we will get x by 2, and here 2 and 2 cancel, so we can write y by 1. Now likewise for elimination the value of x, we will multiply the equation 1 by the coefficient of x in 2, that is 3, and we'll subtract equation 2 with the multiplication of coefficient of x is 1. So now we'll write it here. We'll multiply equation 1 by 3, and it will be 3x plus 3 into 2 6y plus 3 into 2 6z minus, now we'll multiply the equation 2 by 1 and we'll subtract here minus 3x, here minus and minus plus 4y and minus z is equal to 0 minus 0. So now we can write as here 3x and 3x eliminated, and 4y is 10y, now plus 6z minus z is plus 5z, that is equal to 0. So now we can write it as 10y equal to minus 5z, here 5 and 10 gets cancelled by 2, and that is, if we simplify it, is 2y equal to minus z. Now here again we will divide both sides by 2, then we will get y by 1, that is equal to z by minus 2. Now let us take the equation as equation 4 and this one as equation 5. Now here we will compare the value of equation 4. Equation 4 we will compare with equation 5. So if we will compare, we will get x divided by 2, that is equal to y by 1 in equation 4, and here the value of 1 by y equal to z by minus 2. So we can write z by minus 2. Now we'll let it equal to k is a constant, so we can get the value of x is here, x is equal to 2 multiplied by k is 2k, and the value of y will be k, and likewise the value of z is minus 2k. So our next step will be, step 2 will be, we'll use the substitute method and we'll put the value of x, y and z in equation. Now let us move to the another page and we'll continue it. Now here I have copied down the value of x, y and z and equation 3 also. This is our equation 3. Now our next step will be to put the value of x, y and z in terms of k. we'll put the value in equation 3 and it will be in place of x we'll put 2k. So here 2k square plus here 3 in place of y we'll put k. So k square plus in place of z we'll put minus 2 minus 2k whole square, that is equal to 11. Now we'll solve it. It will be 2 to the 4 k square plus 3 k square, here minus and minus plus, so it will be plus 2 to the 4 k square, that is equal to 11 here. Now we'll simplify it. 4 and 3 7, 7 and 4 11, so 11 k square is equal to 11. Here 11 and 11 gets cancelled, so the value of k square is 1. So we can calculate the value of k will be plus minus 1. Now for calculating the value of x, y and z, we'll put the value of k. So here the value of x, that is equal to 2k. So x will be 2 multiplied by k is plus minus 1. So here the value of x is plus minus 2. Likewise y is equal to k and k is equal to plus minus 1. So we'll put y is equal to plus minus 1. So the value of y is plus minus 1. Now the value of z, that is equal to minus 2k and z is equal to, in place of minus 2k, here the value of k is plus minus 1. So the value of z will be minus plus 2. So here we have calculated the value of x, that is plus minus 2, value of y is plus minus 1 and the value of z is minus plus 2. So this is our answer. So friends, this ends for today. If still you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.